Hello, amazing traders. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. Today, I'll be breaking down the market structure on gold. And without further ado, let's go into the chart for today. In order to be a profitable trader, understanding what market is saying is your number one responsibility. And from the weekly time frame on gold, you can easily see from this structure alone that gold is about to sell massively. And what do I mean? How do I know that gold is about to sell massively? Let's move into the 1 month to see what I am talking about. Now, this is monthly time frame on gold, and we can see that for the past 3 months, gold has been moving it has been ranging because this is April, and from this psychology of candlestick, this is selling pressure. This is shooting star, indecision for the past 3 months, and gold is at all-time high of 2,300 ounces, which gold has never been there before. And in market structure, markets have to form higher high and higher low. If market is forming higher high and higher low, then now this is higher high, higher low. Higher high, the market have to form higher low in order to complete the process of basic market structure. So from the market, from naked chart alone of how market moves, because market moves in waves. Market move either up or down, or in ranging market, which is sideways. And from this monthly time frame alone, we can sense that gold is about to drop massively. Let us go back to weekly time frame to see what gold is actually doing. This is weekly time frame, and in weekly time frame, from the candlestick alone, there is a massive rejection on this zone. There is already a massive rejection on these key levels. So market could not break these key zones. And for the past 2 months, market has been consolidating. And we can easily see here. So there's a probability that market is moving to this key zone again, which will form triple top, because market touches here, and here. There was a little market manipulation on this key zone. There was a bit of market manipulation, but market retraced back, and we can see another shooting star in weekly time frame again, which is a sign of massive rejection. So also indecision in weekly time frame. So from that candlestick alone, it shows us that market is about to drop. But in order for us to understand how do you catch the movement, it is about to move. Let me draw simple trend line. Let's go to daily time frame in order to feel the market in a very easier way. This is daily time frame of good analysis, direct life. Now our market has been consolidating, so let me plot the key zones very well so that we can have a clue of what market is doing. This is perfect. This is perfect. If you can understand how market move, it will give you a clue of what is actually happening in the market zone. Now, this is gold in daily time frame. So if I'm waiting for sell of this market, which is the the major direction of the market right now is in gold, is sell, not buy. So, and market has been consolidating from April, which is consolidating. So I'll be expecting something like this. Market to drop to this key zone, retest here, and drop. If market can do that simple structure, then that will be massive sell from gold. And you can easily see that this key zone is psychological level, which will be 2000 ounces, which is, you can say that market reach here is, this is resistance, this is support, resistance and support missing at the same time. These are clusters of candles. Just look to the left, you can see clusters of candle. So which means that when market is selling, probability of market to reach this cluster is extremely high. And in fact, in order to be safe, I can easily take my profit here. Exactly. Which is the first resistance level, which is 2063 hands. Yes, I can decide to take my profit here. And these are the simple structure of market. And from psychology of chart patterns, this is triple top. This is first top, second one, and third one. So if market can break this structure, break this support level, and retest, that will be a perfect entry. And how many pips will that be? Oh my god, this is 2132 pips. Imagine just single entry and you're able to catch 2132 pips of gold. That would be amazing. That will change your trading career. So please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. Drop your comments below. Share your trading idea and let me know. I think this basic structure will change your trading career. So I'll be expecting your comment, your perception, and what you think about gold.